right there.
I thought that was Holly. What happened? Anybody want to tell me?
I don't even know.
Give me tissue. Joe, give me this tissue up there. I didn't mean those, but okay.
You want to share what happened?
Sugar Bear said, I'm a ham. I can lift 10 times my weight. And I couldn't figure out what he meant. And then June said that, and she goes, an ant. It's an ant. It's a ham. And Ollie didn't get it.
I didn't